D. It is a 32 count 4-wall, technically a 2+2 wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 3 and 8, both after 16 counts. The restart on wall 3 will change your walls from a front and back facing 2-wall dance to a side to side facing 2-wall dance. And when you restart on wall 8, it will return you to a front and back facing 2-wall dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where those restarts happen, and then we're going to go around and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice everything and hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Take it off. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to press your right toe forward. You're going to swivel your hip, your right hip, up and down, keeping your weight on that left foot. So you're slightly coming up onto the ball of your right toe, pushing that hip up, coming back down onto your left. Step your right foot next to your left and press your left toe forward. You're now going to repeat that with the left. So you're going to swivel your heel to the left and your hip up to the left, recover back onto your right, and you're going to step your left foot next to your right, sweep your right foot from back to front, step back with your right, sweep your left foot from back to front, and now you're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're swiveling with your hip with the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, the first 4 counts of section 2 change depending on where you dance. So there are 2 options for that first 4 counts. The first option, which is what is written on the step sheet, you're going to step your right foot to the side, left foot behind, quickly step your right heel to the right side, and put your left heel forward into the diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot next to your right and place your right heel forward. You're now going to step your right foot next to your left and step your left foot to the left side. That's option 1. Option 2, which is a little bit easier on your heels or your knees and easier for the dance, you're going to step your right foot to the side, step your left foot behind, quickly step your right foot to the right side and put your left heel into the diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot next to your right and cross your right over your left, and then step your left foot to the left side. So whichever way you do it is up to you. In my demo, I did the cross just naturally, or you can do the heels. It's danced both ways in her videos. From here, we're going to do a quarter turning step back over our right shoulder, stepping back with your right. And now we're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. So let's try option 1 and option 2 through with counts. We're going to start with option 1. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Option 2, you're going 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Option 2, in my personal opinion, flows a little bit better with the dance, but it's up to you which one you do. They're both done in the videos on TikTok. The double heels are listed on the step sheet. Section 3, we're going to shuffle forward with our right foot. So we're going to step our right foot forward, left together, right forward. And you're going to either rock or do a heel grind with your left. The step sheet says rock. People in the videos do a heel. So I'm going to rock forward and recover back onto your right foot. You're now going to do a half shuffle over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side, making a quarter turn. Step your right foot next to your left, and you're going to make another quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to end this section by rocking forward or doing a heel grind with our right, rocking forward with the right, recover onto your left. If you're choosing to do that heel grind, you want that heel grind to slightly open you up so that you can make that turn on either side. So you want it to kind of, when you do your heel grind, you want it to turn to the left to allow for you to do that half shuffle in any part of the dance. The step sheet has it listed as rocks, but in her tutorial video on TikTok and in some of the videos, they do heel grinds. I prefer the rocks. You choose which one works best for you. So let's try it with some counts. We just put our weight onto our left foot. You're shuffling forward with your right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. we're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the side, left foot together, make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and you're going to do another rock or a heel grind with your left foot, rock forward, recover. You're now going to quickly step your left foot next to your right, and you're going to place your right heel forward. You're going to step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Step your left foot next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. And then to start the dance all over again, you'll make a quarter turn and start your swivels with your right foot and hip. So let's try that last part with some counts. We just rock, recover for 7, 8. You're doing your half shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And then start your swivels all over again, facing the back wall. So now let's do the front all the way through with steps and counts. I'm going to dance it as a ball cross. If you would like to do the heels, do the heels. As well as I'm going to do the rock. And if you would like to do the heel grind, you do the heel grind. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your swivel with your right hip. Press, swivel, step, press, swivel, step, back, sweep, left, coaster, step. Side, behind, step, heel, step, cross, side, quarter, back, left, coaster, step, right, shuffle, forward, left, rock, recover, left, half, shuffle, right, rock, recover, right, half, shuffle, rock, recover, ball, heel, ball, point, quarter, turn, start over with your swivels. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing the swivels with our right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And start all over again. So now let's talk about the restarts. Our first one's going to be after 16 counts, facing our front wall. So let's dance up to that point. We're doing our swivel with our right hip. It's press, swivel, step, back, sweep, coaster, step, side, behind, and heel, step, cross, side, quarter, back with your coaster, step. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to restart the dance with your swivels. You'll then dance wall 4, because we restarted the dance over, wall 4, wall 5, wall 6, wall 7, and then when we come back to this wall for wall 8, you're going to dance 16 counts, and it will put you back to a 12 and 6 or a front and back facing wall. So let's try that restart. We're pressing forward with our right toe and swiveling our hip. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You're facing 6 o'clock, and you're going to start the dance all over again and continue the rest of the way through dancing it as a 12 and 6 or a front and back facing 2 wall dance. So now let's go around on alternating front and back and side walls. On 12 and 3, I'm going to do steps, and on 6 and 9, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance, which will include both restarts and the walls that follow, so you can practice the transitions. Weight's going to start on your left foot. You're starting with your press and hip swivel. So it's press, swivel, step, press, swivel, back, sweep, and your coaster, step. Side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, side, quarter, back, and your coaster, step. Right shuffle, forward, rock, recover, left shuffle, half, rock, recover, right, half shuffle, rock, recover, ball, heel, ball, point, quarter, turn, swivel, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 16. Swivel, step, back, sweep, and your coaster, step. Side, behind, step, heel, step, cross. Side quarterback with your coaster restart. Step, swivel, step, swivel, back sweep in your coaster step. Side, behind step, heel step, cross. Side quarterback with your coaster step. Shuffle, forward, rock, recover, half shuffle, and rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, step, heel step, point, quarter, turn, swivel, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, swivel, step, swivel, back sweep in your coaster step, side, behind step, heel step, cross, side quarterback with your coaster step, shuffle, forward, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, ball, heel, point, quarter, turn, swivel, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 16, swivel, step, back sweep in your coaster step, side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, side, quarterback in your coaster step, restart, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and you're ready to keep on dancing. Now the extras that you choose to add in is totally up to you. Go off of wherever your group is dancing, how they dance it. There are a lot of variations done in this dance. Some people like to squat, some people do heel grinds, some people rock with some hip rolls. Add extra in if you would like to do those double heels. Feel free. If you just want to cross over, feel free to do that as well. But I hope this helped you learn, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.